Hi boys and girls, let's talk about colors. We're going to talk about our primary colors, our secondary colors, warm colors, and cool colors. Then we'll do a drawing or painting using warm and cool colors. So here I have some colors. Our primary colors we talked about are yellow, blue, and red. So we have three primary colors. When I mix blue and yellow together, I get green, right? If I take red and blue and mix them, I get purple. And red and yellow will make orange. So here we have our color wheel. We have primary colors, red, yellow, and blue, and the ones we just made, orange, green, and purple, are called secondary colors. So if I look here and I separate these and I move this one over here, green, blue, and purple are cool colors. Yellow, orange, and red are warm colors. So we are going to just make a picture of a hat, a winter hat, using warm colors and cool colors. So right now, why don't you find your yellow, orange, and red crayon or marker, or maybe colored pencils, and then you need to find green, blue, and purple. All right, so I'm going to move these aside. And we are going to draw a winter hat. So everybody's hat can be a little different. I don't want my hat to touch the bottom. So if I use 2 or 3 fingers, I'm just going to make a dot. This is where my hat will stop. So I'm just going to put a line here, and it can be a little wiggly. I don't want to go to the end. Then I'm going to maybe make 3 fingers wide, maybe 4. 4 I think is good, and make another line and connect those. Let me do that in a Sharpie so that you can see. You should start yours, always plan yours in pencil first. Then if you want to outline, you can do it later. So here's the bottom and the top. I'm going to connect those with some wiggly lines. Now I'm going to just make a big upside down U. So I want to go about this high. I want to use that paper so that I can make designs in my hat. There. I also would like to put a nice little fuzzy ball. So I'm just going to make a wiggly line here. It's like zigzag on the top. You can add that if you would like to add it onto yours. Now this is already divided. I see this nice section here that I can put a pattern in, but I want some patterns up here. So I'm going to add another line and then one more. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 sections that I'm going to put different patterns in. Okay, so remember our patterns repeat. So maybe I will do a polka dot and a heart, polka dot and a heart. That's my first one. This one, I think I'm going to do stripes. So let me separate this one into sections. This one here, I'm going to do a snowflake, heart, snowflake, what's next? Heart, and then I need another snowflake. Okay, so keep your patterns simple, okay, because we are going to be coloring these. So if you do yours in a pencil, you might want to do your snowflakes in blue or purple. Let's think about what we'll do with colors in a minute. All right, I have one more section on the top. Let's see, I have stripes, I have hearts and polka dots. I have to think what I want to put on the top part here. Maybe I will have some wavy lines. Okay, so I have all my patterns done. What we're going to do now, we're actually going to color with warm colors inside the hat. If you want to do another hat later, you could do a hat with cool colors. But we're going to do warm colors inside the hat because the hat keeps us warm. Out here is going to be cool colors because the air in the winter is cold. So cool colors on the outside. So let me grab my colors. I need an orange. So it looks like a red orange and a red. Let's see what I have. Yellow. Those are my warm colors. If you want to put a pink in there, sure, you can do that too. All right, so I'm going to color in my hat using only the warm colors. So maybe I'm going to do these hearts red. And let's see, I think I'm going to do orange and this yellowy orange. This is a great color. So if I'm coloring this all in, you should take your time when you're doing your coloring. I just want to give you an idea of what this will look like. So here's nice warm color. I think I'm going to use the pink in here, just because the yellow won't show up so well. All right, so there's one section. Now I need to go in and do my patterns here. So maybe I will do something like this orangey color. Oh, I think I'm going to make it go lighter. And then put the yellow. And I'm going to add to it. I'm going to do red. Then this orangey red, which we call red orange. It's not a bright orange, is it? This is a nice yellow orange. Then my yellow. And after yellow, I'm going to start with my red again. I think I used this one. Was it this one? No. Let's see. I want to make sure I have the right one. Let's go back, make that a little darker. Then the red orange, and that looks like that's the last one there. So I finished this pattern. Now, I have to think of what I want to do up here, right? So I'm going to continue with the hearts in red. Now, I know these are snowflakes, but I have to use my warm colors. All right, so this is all warm colors. So I will continue that. And then up here too, I'm going to start coloring in all these waves in my warm colors. So go ahead, keep doing yours. Maybe you're still drawing, planning it out. Maybe you're beginning to color with colored pencils or crayons, markers, whatever you have, okay? Just separate your warm colors and your cool colors before you begin. All right, I haven't finished my hat completely. Maybe I will leave this section white and just have some color in here. Maybe I could outline these with a color, right? So you go ahead and decorate yours, and the last step is going to be choosing our cool colors for the background. I'm just going to use blues and purples in my background. I don't want to put green, just because I want to do more of a wintry sky. So maybe I will have some light blue circles. And maybe I will add some snowflakes. So go ahead, have fun decorating yours, and I will see you soon. Don't forget to send me a picture and post it on your Seesaw account. Have a great day.